If you are wondering if there is a charger included inside the box of Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, then the answer depends on where you live. If you live in, let's say, Southeast Asian countries, such as India, where power adapters are still included, then in that case, the power adapter is going to be included here as well, and you should have Motorola's Turbo Power 68 watts charger. This is what it is included in the case of Edge 70 Fusion. But if you live in such countries like, let's say, European countries, maybe United States, and so on and so forth, generally speaking, countries where power adapters are no longer included, then in that case, the power adapter is not included here either. So in that case, you will have to purchase the power adapter separately if you don't have one from your previous device, for example. And that is pretty much it. Actually, no, there's one more thing. You can, for example, try to check the box in order to see if there is a power adapter. You can see over here we have this graphic information that clearly tells us if the power adapter is included or not. If you cannot check the box before purchasing the phone, you can ask the person that is selling the phone to you, ask them to check that for you, and you should get the answer. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.